In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change text font style in MetaTrader 5. This is a simple but really useful skill, especially if you want to make your charts easier to read or highlight important notes directly on the screen. First, make sure you have MetaTrader 5 open and a chart loaded. It can be any symbol or time frame. The process is exactly the same. At the top of the platform, you'll see a toolbar with various icons. Look for the icon that looks like a capital letter T. This T icon is the text tool, and it's what allows you to place custom text on your chart. Go ahead and click on the T icon. Once it's selected, move your mouse over to the chart area. Choose the spot where you want your text to appear and click on the chart. As soon as you click, a text box or text properties window should open. This is where you can type the message you want to display, such as a label, reminder, or key level description. After typing your text, look for the option called Parameters or Parameters tab within that window. Click on Parameters. Inside this section, you'll see several settings that control how your text looks and behaves. Here, you should find options to change the font type, style, and size. Select the font family you prefer, like a cleaner or more readable style, then adjust the size so it's easy to see without overwhelming the chart. You can usually also change the color and alignment in the same area, so while you're here, pick a text color that contrasts well with your chart background. This will make your notes stand out clearly. Take a moment to preview how the text looks in the small preview box if one is available. When you're happy with the font style, size, and other settings, confirm your changes by clicking OK or a similar confirmation button. Your text will now appear on the chart with the new font style you selected. If you later decide you want to tweak it, just double-click on the text on the chart to select it, then right-click and open its properties again to adjust the parameters. And that's all there is to it. By using the T icon, clicking on the chart, and customizing everything in the parameters section, you can easily control how text looks in MetaTrader 5 and keep your charts clean, readable, and tailored to your style.